Today I'm walking you through how I made this vintage heart cake for my mom step by step. It's actually simpler than it looks, and I'll explain everything as if we're baking together in my kitchen. When it comes to crumb coating, think of it as your cake's foundation. It wraps all the crumbs so that your final layer looks clean and smooth. I started by piping a small dab of buttercream directly onto my cake board. Gently place the first layer of cake on the cake board. Now pipe a ring of buttercream around the edge of the cake. This creates a well so that your filling stays put. I'm using a rich chocolate spread, but you can use jam, ganache, or whatever you love. Scoop the right amount you need for the cake and place it at the center. Spread it out evenly and repeat the process for each layer. I am also using crushed Oreos because it gives the cake a better taste. For the final layer, flip it upside down so the bottom becomes the top. This gives you a flat, even surface to decorate, so you don't need to trim the cake. Now for the crumb coat, I'm using my offset spatula to apply all the buttercream around the cake. This seals in all the crumbs and gives us a smooth base to work with. I hold my scraper at a slight angle and gently spin the turntable to even it out. To ensure that the buttercream is spread evenly, I used a bigger scraper at an angle of 45 degrees to get a smooth surface. To get rid of the lines, dip your scraper in hot water, wipe it off and smooth over those lines. Once the crumb coat sets, I go in with the final layer of buttercream. I pipe it on for a better control. Then use my scraper to smooth it all out. Using the 6B Wilton tip to pipe those vintage shells around the top edge of the cake. finishing this cake off with some soft edible flowers for that delicate touch, and also with a few hand-piped petals. I'm piping a few more white buttercream shells at the top, but honestly, feel free to skip this part if you want to keep it simple. I wrote Mom in the center because she deserves it all. And we are all done. I hope this inspires you to make one for someone special. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and let me know in the comments what cake you'd love to see next. Bye!